Hello my beautiful dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this Plaid nail art design. Now first, if you're wondering why I always have yellow nails in this channel, trust me, it is not me. It was just by coincidence that when I want to shoot, it just happened to be yellow or this mustard color looking nail art. So yeah, to begin with, I used a short liner brush. I've already done everything. Did my 3 layers of gel polish, and I go in with this white gel polish from Plaid nails. So I'll be dipping in from that to do my cross. So the first thing, the first cross, you decide whatever cross, like how you want to line your cross, but the first one, it has to be clear. It has to be thick, so that that's going to be our base for our scotch or plate design. So what you need to do is go in with as many strokes as you like until you are sure with whatever size you want, and you must also cure that in between, and yeah, it's that simple. So I go in with 3 layers as well, just as the same as when you apply your gel polish, and I'll alternate between the 2 hands. The reason I go in with 3 layers of this white is because it is not that opaque. So whenever I'm doing designs like these, I have to keep on going. But you can also try mascara gels. That's white, they're white gel, trust me. You just need probably 2 layers, and then you are good to go. It is bright white. So the reason I got this one is because I buy my gel it online, and I only needed white at the time. So yeah. Now once that is cured, we're gonna go in with a longer thin strapping brush. This one has to be your thinnest you have and the longest you have for it to be easier. So I dab that into my Planet Nails Gel Black Polish. You need to make sure that you wipe off the excess gel and that your strapping brush is all put together, like you don't have any streaks like flying out of it. So now you need to make sure you have a steady hand with this. You must rest your other hand on the other hand. So yeah, from the top I go vertically down. So this is the most important step of doing Plaid. When you go vertically, you're going to do all your vertical lines together, and you need to cure that, because if you do all your vertical and horizontal line, the other one is going to bleed on top of the other, and then it's going to become messy. So yeah, you guys are going to see how that goes. It is that simple, you guys. Like, this is just a watch kind of video, watch me work kind of video. So after doing this, I make sure that I cure for 10 seconds and then come back and do your horizontal lines. And if you make any mistakes, make sure to wipe them off before you cure, because once you cure, it is over for you. So if you touch your client's skin or something, just wipe it off, because once you put it in your lamp, it's going to cure into their skin and it's not going to look presentable. So this is how it looks, you guys. It is very simple. And obviously the last step is you topping off your client's nails, and yeah, you'll be good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're gonna try out this very simple look, please do tag me on my salon page, delicate_dolls, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.